Hello everybody, this is me RJ here again with another video for you guys. Today in this video we're going to be removing this head unit off the trolling motor. This is a Minn Kota 5-speed 30-pound thrust Endura. We're going to be taking the head unit off if you're going to get it ready to mount it to a kayak. So this is the trolling motor right out of the box. I haven't added anything to it, I haven't removed anything to it. All you are going to need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 7th one right here that holds this head unit to the shaft. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of these 6 screws first. We'll get this one last. Okay, now that you have all 6 of those screws removed and loosened all the way, we're going to move to the other side. Okay, after all the screws are removed, all you do is pull the cap off like this. You'll remove this little piece here, just slide it down, pull it off, and then this whole piece is going to come out. There's no more screws in here. There's a little tab right down in here that you can pull on, and you should be able to pop this out. Let me get the camera in position. So pull on this tab here, and then all of this is going to come out. So now that we have that out, you can simply pull these pieces apart. There's nothing holding them together other than sliding on there. So you can go ahead and take that off and set it to the side, get it out of your way. Then all these wires here, you can go ahead and pull all the connectors off. They are labeled, so you can't mix this up. You have red, white, yellow, battery positive, battery negative, and black. They're all labeled on this. There's really no way you can mess this up unless you just can't see. So if you can't see the writing on this, go ahead and label these or take a picture before you take this apart. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all these wires off. Now that we have all the connectors removed from this, we can take this part off. So remember I told you there was a 7th screw right here, and we're going to take that off last. We're going to remove that right now. Okay, now that we have that screw taken out, we can come back to this side. And we're going to remove these wires here. They have a little clip right here. Just pop the wires out of that clip. Pretty simple to do. And then you can pull this out this way. And this is the connectors that go to your battery. And then you can pull these out right out of here. There's a little clip holding them all in a little bundle right in there. Just remove them from that, and then you should be able to pull this whole head unit, or what's left of it, off of these wires. So that's how you remove the head for the trolling motor to get it ready to mount on a kayak. Keep a hold of this because you can reuse this if you like instead of getting another switch. In a future video, I'm going to show you how I mounted everything to my kayak, to my Seaghost 110, and how I reused this for the control for the trolling motor. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. If you didn't like it, don't share it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get to them. Thanks for watching.